Playing as El Santo Blue from Turkey. Second Turkish player this evening. Second Turkish dude. Second Turkish dude. Duda. He plays d3. So I'm trying to play like Levi Roseman. Levi would play a bishop g4 and take the knight. So let's play like Levi Roseman. Magnus always trades and plays the endgame and just wins because he's a freaking god. But for those of us who are mere mortals like myself or Levi Roseman, we try to play normal moves. So let's go here. Levi played bishop c5, but I'm going to play g6, bishop g7. Let's fianchetto the pieces. Let's go here. I'm going to go d4. This probably is wrong, by the way, but I'm going to do it anyway. Really, I'm trying to basically create an imbalance here, so I'm becoming a little bit dubious. Go here, and knight c6, of course. Could have played e5 too. I wonder if I should have played e5 there, but whatever. I could take with the bishop, but I think I should just take the pawn. Probably gonna play like knight d2, knight c4 or something. I don't actually love my position, but it is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. Hard to judge. This could be good, could be very bad too. Very hard to judge. Well, let's see what we got. We got 92. Ugh. I'm tempted to go e5 and just trade f4 and play knight c6. But I think I should castle. I should have actually played knight c6 first, probably. Provoke e5. Or provoke f4, I should say. Okay, he does it anyway. e5 is kind of... This is too weakening, I think, so I'm going to go here. Logical. Go here. I'm aiming for knight e3. That's my target. To activate the knight. Might not be good, by the way, but it makes sense. E3 here or not? To be or not to be? I think I'm gonna go here first, then knight e3 next move. I also want to put the rook on c8 as well. Like the rooks need to be on the two open lanes. These two lanes, okay. Okay, I guess I'll just go for it now. b2 was also hanging here, I just realized. But C, and now I did the wrong. Should have played this right away so he doesn't get rook c1. I'm such a moron. Now I have to take and play like a slightly worse endgame. I'm kind of annoyed at myself for allowing this. Still probably fine, but the chances of winning the game are low. I'm probably not losing, but the chances of winning are very low here. b4, which to me looks kind of weird. I wonder if I go to d5 or f5. My instinct is to go to d5, just because I can always hit the knight on these two squares with the bishop f8. Also, knight d5 covers f6, so I can also go bishop f8 somewhere. I'm going to say a4. I don't really... This looks a little bit suspicious to me the way he's playing this. Like, it feels a little bit sus. I'll go here to hit the pawn. Because a5, I just go queen b5. And I'm also covering the squares. This looks a little bit sus. I wouldn't say it's sus in a big way. It's not like bigly sus, but it feels somewhat sus. So here, no a5, so just take the juicer. Now, of course, he spots knight f6. Now I'm kind of fine, but I'm not fine the way I want to be fine. Go here and take with the bishop. Like I'm completely fine here, but I'm not better than fine. Thanks so much to Nick White for the host with 1.65k viewers. Thanks so much to Nick. Nick, the pawn, and now I might actually be better here. So I have b6 to lock the door, and then I can take the pawn on f6. I have b6 to lock the door. Or not, it's not lock the door, it's hold the door. Hold the door, hold the door. So if I can hold the door, I should be okay here. Yeah, if I can hold the door, which is a C file, I can keep the bishop here, then I should be fine. Hodor, 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 Hodor. Yeah, if I can hold the door here, I'm fine. That was so sad the way that Hodor died, right? That was very sad, actually. Do I go b6 or I just eat the juicer? My instinct is just eat it. Just eat it. Just eat it, as Weird Al would say. How do I do it? I'm too slow again. Just eat it. I go here, there's rook b4. I'm gonna go here and queen a5 to activate. Like, activate the queen. Still not trivial to win. Okay, that looks like a mistake. Let's go check. Wait, queen d1, rook d4. No. Too slow, too slow, too slow. Too weak, too slow. Still very tricky somehow. Maybe I go... I've checked, maybe. Yeah, I've got check, maybe. Still very hard to win. I have great chance to win, but still very tricky. What is that? I'm gonna go here. Oh, I could have taken a4. Oh, I could have taken the pawn on a4. What am I doing? Now I can't, though. Queen a4, queen e6, rook f5. Could have played a5 too, but... e4 maybe? Okay, I'm gonna go for queen e3. This might not be working, but I'm gonna try it. Takes in d3... e5, d2, d... Yeah, I think this works. I push the p. Push the p and I win the game, I think. Yeah, I win the game. I push my p and I win. We're pushing p. He's got to go rook... Okay. This must be winning. Boom! There we go. There we go. Got the win.